Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of the hassle that comes with searching for places online or constantly navigating through Google Maps to discover new places to dine or hang out? Well, with Bard AI, it is like having your very own comprehensive solution. Imagine having the ability to search for food options or interesting places without the need to open Google Maps. Yes, with the Google Map extension integrated into Bard AI, there is no longer a requirement to launch the Google Maps app. You can simply direct your inquiries to Bard, and it will provide you with the information you need about renowned restaurants and more. But before we delve into practical examples, if you have an interest in staying updated on the latest AI tools and learning how to make the most of them, you have arrived at that perfect channel. Our content focuses on keeping you informed and providing step-by-step tutorials on utilizing AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support plays a crucial role in enabling us to continue creating content like this. Now, let us embark on this journey. To activate the Google Map extension, you will want to follow these straightforward steps. Begin by visiting the Bard website and logging into your account. Then, locate the extensions icon, often represented as a puzzle piece, in the top right corner of the window. Then, toggle on the Google Maps extension. With the Google Map extension now activated, you can use it by simply typing @maps followed by your query into the Bard chat window. For example, you might type @maps show me the directions to the nearest coffee shop. By doing so, you will instantly open a Google Maps map within the Bard chat window, providing you with clear and concise directions to the closest coffee shop. Here are some additional examples illustrating how versatile the Google Map extensions can be. To search for a specific place, @maps find restaurants near me that are open now. If you need directions using public transportation, @maps show me directions to the Golden Gate Bridge using public transportation. Interested in checking the weather forecast for a particular location? Simply type @maps show me the weather forecast for San Francisco, California. If you have a yearning to explore street views of iconic places from around the world, @maps show me street view of the Eiffel Tower. Beyond this, the Google Map extension can also assist in obtaining specific details about places, such as their address, phone number, or website. For instance, you could type @maps show me the address of the White House, and it will promptly display the White House address in the Bard chat window. The Google Map extension on Bard AI is an incredibly powerful tool capable of streamlining a wide range of tasks and inquiries. I wholeheartedly encourage you to give it a try and experience how it can enhance your efficiency and productivity. What are your thoughts on this? Do you find it impressive, or do you think it doesn't change much? I am eager to hear your feedback on the new Google Maps extension featuring Bard AI, so I would love to read your comments down below. Personally, I find it quite impressive. Cool might be an understatement. It is not just about being cool, it is about making a tangible difference in the way you interact with the world around you. Imagine having the ability to effortlessly find the best places to eat, hang out with friends, or explore new locales. Picture the convenience of planning your trips, whether for business or leisure, with precision and ease. That is the kind of impact that Google Map extension with Bard AI brings to the table. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave your queries in the comments section below. In the upcoming videos, we will be diving deeper into how you can maximize the effectiveness of various other Bard AI extensions. So, remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in our next video.